Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra. Today we are... Today we have another episode of My Rental Reno coming at you. Today I turn my living room closet into my workspace. If you're new here, I recently moved onto the top floor of an old Victorian house with my two cats, Harriet and Marty, and my partner, Andrew. Follow me in this series where I transform this entire apartment room to room, giving you on-budget and renter-friendly solutions. You're watching My Rental Reno. Guys, I'm not joking. I am literally turning a closet into my office. Whenever I told people that I was doing this, they were like, sorry, you're turning your closet, what? I was like, yes, trust me, it's gonna be great. And I'm so happy with how it turned out. And I feel like you guys at home are never gonna look at your closets the same. So much potential, especially when you're in a small space like me, really need to think outside the box. Now, my partner Andrew and I have tons of storage. We have a loft, which I will be making over in an episode to come, but we have tons of storage, so we didn't really have a need for this closet in the living room. So I was like, that's gonna be my office. I'm so excited. Let's take a look at the befores. So today is day one of the closet office makeover. I'm so excited. I feel like a lot of people think it's weird that I'm turning a closet into an office, but once I show you guys how to do this, you're never gonna look at your bedroom closets the same. My mom is visiting, so I've put her to work and she is going to be painting over the awful like puke green color in this closet. I don't know why this color was chosen, but it was. And we are just painting it the same white as the rest of the space. Mom, do you want to say hi to the viewers?
Hello.
This closet was painted this like disgusting green color. I'm like, why anyone would choose this green color? I have no idea. Sorry if you have a closet at home in this color. It was just like a very neon, loud green. Wasn't my aesthetic. My mom came to visit over the Christmas holidays and I put her to work. Even just like doing that changed this whole room. It just felt brighter.
So I'm thinking a banana leaf wallpaper like this for in there. I just think it needs like something. So when you're sitting here, if the door is open, you know, you can see the wallpaper. Stay tuned. Oh, it's so sunny. Stay tuned.
So I invested in 2 panels of peel and stick wallpaper in this amazing banana leaf print. Click the video right up here if you want to know how to install peel and stick wallpaper for yourself. I break it down. It's pretty easy. I love peel and stick wallpaper because it's such an easy way to update a blank wall in your space. And I figured if I'm gonna have my office in a closet, I wanna make it fun. And whenever I'm making over really tiny spaces like this, I think it's such a good opportunity to use lots of color, lots of pattern, and just like have tons of fun with it. So once I installed this wallpaper, now it was time to change out this light. So there was just kind of this like bulb hanging out at the top of the ceiling. I thought, let's do a beautiful decorative light. I actually want to do a full episode dedicated to decorative lighting because there are so many options out there for under like $150. I found this beautiful light on Amazon. It's linked down below, and it's just like a total art piece that really transforms this small space. Next, I wanted to add a shelf. So storage is really important for me, especially in this space because I have, you know, a printer, I have a hard drive, I have paper, I have props. I have lots of things that I need to store in this office. It's not like I'm gonna be sitting in this closet typing away like for like 8 hours a day. This is really a place to kind of house all of my work-related items. I can put my laptop in here, I can put my cords. So at the end of the day, I can just close this closet door and no one will ever know that this is actually where I store all of my office stuff. Next up, I had to figure out a desk situation. I was like, do I do a leaning ladder desk? Do I just do like a small standalone desk? And then I thought, no, I need to maximize the space in this office as much as possible. So I went to IKEA and I found their, I think it's called Ekby, like E-K-Y, no, E-K-B-Y. I'll leave a link down below, but a lot of people actually use this as a vanity or a floating shelf, but I just added 2 brackets to the bottom and hung it up on this wall, and now it's a desk. It's amazing. It has drawers, which are really key for me. I have a lot of stationery, a lot of pens, pencil crayons, that kind of thing. So I tucked those in the drawers. This piece from IKEA, people hack into all sorts of things. They put it on legs for a standing desk, or they use brackets to adhere it to the wall. And what I love about it is that these brackets only needed, I think, 2 screws in each bracket to hold the desk in place. For a rental, this is really important, but when I leave, I can just remove the brackets, fill the holes, and no one will know that this closet was used for anything other than a closet. One thing I struggle with that I know you guys at home struggle with too is cord management, especially in a home office. So what I've done here is I've placed my hard drive. I use this every day. It's where I store all my files, and the cord was coming down through the back. So I found these really smart cord covers. They adhere to the wall, and then you just like press the cords into them and they're gone. They're hidden, vanished. And now it's just this beautiful white strip. You'd never know that there's like 3 cords behind here. It's a great solution for that cord clutter. I say this in just about every video, but baskets are the answer for any type of organization. So I love to use wire baskets or glass jars in an office or a DIY space to put those crafty items on display because they're fun and they should act as decor. So I've put a jar full of pom-poms, hashtag so on brand, on display in easy reach. And I've also put these 2 wire baskets here. I got these from the dollar store for $2 each. I also got like 8 in rose gold because I couldn't decide. I'm layering in a plant in here. All offices should have plants. They make everyone happy. And I am also putting this really fun art print in here just for some motivation, and this cute tassel pencil holder. Finally, this is like the best thing in this office, I would say, besides the banana leaf wallpaper. I found this beautiful office chair. And I feel like office chairs are one of those things that people are like, there's no beautiful options. I just need the standard that like doesn't make my back ache. But guys, I found a beautiful alternative. This is velvet. I love the color of it. It's like a lilac purple, and it has rose gold legs. So amazing, and it's actually so comfy. I feel like a beautiful piece like this just brings the space together, and I'm all about those pieces of furniture that just take your living space up a notch and make it feel that much more special. I can't wait to work in this office every day. I'm so excited with how it came together. Would you turn your closet into an office? Let me know. If you guys missed my entire living room transformation, that was the first episode of the My Rental Reno series. Make sure you click the link here, and there'll also be one down below so you don't miss that episode. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more makeovers in my new apartment. As always, I will see you guys next Friday. See you next time. No one will know that this closet was used for anything other than a closet. Does that make any sense?
We have reason to believe you were using your closet as something other than a closet.